some milk, lemon juice, then homemade flour.
Yep.
It's winning! Baking powder, baking soda, brown sugar, egg time!
I'm gonna do it, I haven't done it enough.
Coconut oil.
Silly mum.
Silly mom! Sorry guys. That's yummy muffin. I'll be back tomorrow. See you later.